Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to stake your Lunar Classic coins and also auto compound them through our HCC Factory Auto Compound website. So something to point out with staking is the fact that you don't just get LUNC rewards, you get USDT rewards as well. And with prices always fluctuating up and down, sitting on your USDT and waiting for one of these pumps always pays out for me. And being someone who sits on a bag, holds coins, you should stake. It's a good way to not have to dollar cost average in using fiat. Instead, you earn your dollar cost average just by holding a bag and staking it. So let's move ahead with this tutorial. So as you can see here, we've got the wallet up that we created in the last video, and I have topped it up with 10,000 LUNC coins. And what we're going to do is click the stake button on the bottom. I'm going to search for my node, which is HappyCattyCrypto, and I'm going to tap this node. I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to hit Delegate. So once I've hit that button, it's going to bring me to this screen and I'm going to be able to delegate my coins. Now what I recommend is leave at least 1,000 LUNC available at all times in your wallet to cover fees. It's very important that you don't drain your wallet completely during this process, and just as simple as that, you have delegated with our node, and you can keep adding to that just by simply coming to the same process and repeating that with your investments. Now when you want to claim your rewards, just simply go to delegations and you can click the withdraw all rewards button. Okay, so a few quick points to note on the subject of staking is if you're going to add more to your delegations, just add more. You don't need to undelegate to add more. You can just do that. A point to note furthermore on this is when you add to your delegations, it will automatically withdraw whatever rewards are available. So your USDT that you get, you can swap that, like I said, on the app through TerraSwap, but I advise you don't do this. I advise you save it all up and you send it to a DEX or somewhere like Binance, somewhere like MEXC, and you swap it there because the swap rates on chain are a little bit foggy to say the least. So let's move over to the auto compounding, which is such an important point. Now you're staking, now you're maximizing your earnings. Let's really accelerate it. Instead of you coming in each day to withdraw your rewards and redelegate those as well, so you're getting more rewards, you can apply the auto compounding feature. And this is a great website that we have fostered in, and we have our own website at hgcfactory.com. Links to that in the description. So now you're here, you're at our auto compounding site. You're going to want to keep your wallet open on your mobile device. It's very important to do this from a mobile device, and you're going to want to connect your wallet. So we're going to click Wallet Connect and we're going to use the QR code. So on your applications, you are going to tap More, and in the top right hand corner is a very little small QR code button. And this is going to allow you to use your camera, and you're going to scan this QR code and you're going to allow the connection. So now you're connected to our auto compounding feature, and what you're going to do is click Grant, and that is going to provide you with another screen on your mobile device, and you're going to put in your password. So you've put your password in and you have signed the transaction. And this is going to sign the transaction, and this is going to grant auto compound permission features. So now you've done this, what you then need to do is further enable the system. So just click enable and it's going to bring up one more transaction for you to sign. Get that signed. And as simple as that, you have set up the auto compounding feature. And what this is going to do is withdraw your rewards each day, and it's going to compound your LUNC. The reason why we don't compound USDC is because of the ropey swapping system on chain. It gives off a very poor swapping system, and it's very off balance. So we don't provide that. And like I said, my advice is you stack that up, you send it to an exchange, and you swap it out during those big pumps that USDC provides over time. So there you go. You've got a very good brief guide on how to stake and auto compound using our HCC Factory Auto Compound tool. Other than that, folks, stay safe, stay humble, stay aware, and as always, we'll catch you in the next one.